we will do the system of, we will solve the system of linear equations in two variables, system of linear equations in three variables. Okay, so what is the system? Already we discussed. System is nothing but so two or three or more equations are called system. So the system of equations are in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to b1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to b2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to b3. So coefficients a equal to a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. Next, variable x, variable matrix x, y, z. Constant matrix b, d1, d2, d3. So a, x, b. So a is the quotient matrix, b is the constant matrix, x is the variable matrix. So here three equations and three unknowns. These three equations all together are called system of linear equations. System of linear equations. Okay, now to solve this system, so in this exercise we use three methods. So we use to solve these equations with the help of three methods: Cramer's method, inverse method, Gauss-Jordan method. So in this class we discuss Cramer's method. Cramer's method. We will do these problems with the help of Cramer's method. So first I am taking the matrix, coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix A. So this determinant I am taking with delta. Delta equal to delta of a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. So this is the delta. The determinant of coefficient matrix I am taking it as delta. Next, delta 1. So delta 1 is nothing but what I am doing. So observe the coefficient matrix. In this coefficient matrix, so it is delta 1. So I want to replace the first column with a constant matrix. So d1, d2, d3, d1, d2, d3. So first column is replaced by d1, d2, d3. Second and third columns are same: b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. So this is delta 1. Next, delta 2. Delta 2 equal to, so replacing the second column. What is the second column? b1, b2, b3. So replace this one with the d1, d2, d3. First and third columns are same: a1, a2, a3, d1, d2, d3. Next, c1, c2, c3. This is delta 2. Next, delta 3. Delta 3 equal to, replace the third. 3 is nothing but replacing the third column with coefficient matrix, with a constant matrix: a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, d1, d2, d3. So we need to find out these four determinants. After finding the four determinants, x equal to delta 1 by delta, y equal to delta 2 by delta, z equal to delta 3 by delta. So if we are taking the ratios of the corresponding determinants, we will get x, y, z values. So this is the required solution. So if we observe all the denominators, delta, 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 if denominator is equal to 0, then such values are does not exist. So therefore delta not equal to 0. So if delta equal to 0, Cramer's method is not applicable. If delta equal to 0, Cramer's method is not applicable. So we can't apply Cramer's method. Okay, now we will discuss problems. So exercise 3H, I want to discuss first third question. X minus y plus 3z equal to 5. 4x plus 2y minus z equal to 0. Next, minus x plus 3y plus z equal to 5. So this is the system of equations. First I want to write A matrix A coefficients 1 minus 1 3 4 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 1. X equal to x y z, b equal to 5 0 5. So this is matrix A, variable x matrix. Next, constants b matrix. Now I want to find 4 determinants. First, delta. Delta equal to direct determinants 1 minus 1 3 4 2 minus 1 minus 1 3 1. This is minus 1. Okay. Now I want to find out delta. So first delta equal to 1 of determinant 1 of 2 into 1 2 3 into minus 1 minus 3 this side plus 3 minus changing the sign of second one minus or minus 1 plus 1. First one sign as it is, second one changing the sign, third one sign as it is minus 1. So changing the sign plus 1. 4 into 1 4 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 this side. So we should write minus 1. So plus 3, we are not changing the sign of this one. Next 4 into 3 12 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 this side plus 2. 1 of 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 of 4 minus 1 3 plus 3 of 12 plus 2 14. So 5 plus 3 plus 3 into 14 42. 42 plus 3 45 plus 5 50. 50 this is not equal to 0. So since it is not equal to 0, Cramer's method is applicable. Cramer's method is applicable. Next, delta 1. Delta 1 is nothing but, so we need to write 3 columns, 3 rows. So instead of first column, I want to write 5 0 5. First 5 0 5. So second as it is minus 1 2 3. Third 3 minus 1 1. 3 minus 1 1. Okay, now 5 of 2 into 1 2 3 into minus 1 minus 3 this side plus 3. Changing the sign plus 1. 0 into 1 0. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 this side plus 5 plus 3 of 0 into 3 0. 5 into 2 10 minus 10. Next, again one more time. 5 0 5. Replace with this minus 1 2 3 3 minus 1 1. So 5 into 2 plus 3. Next minus 1 into minus or minus plus 1 into 0 plus 5 plus 3 into 0 0 into 3 0 5 into 2 10. So this side minus 10. Next 5 of 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 of 0 plus 5 5 plus 3 of minus 10. So 5 into 5 25. 1 into 5 5. 3 into minus 10 minus 30. 25 plus 5 30 minus 30 0. So already we discussed. So if it is 0, then Cramer's method is not applicable. What won't be equal to 0? Delta won't be equal to 0. Delta 1 may be 0. Delta 1 0 or not, no problem. But delta won't be equal to 0. Okay, so this method is already applicable. Delta not equal to 0, it is applicable. So delta 1 may be 0, delta 2 may be 0, delta 3 may be 0, no problem. But delta won't be 0. Next, delta 2. So if we are finding delta 2, I want to check first. This is the first column, second column, third column. Replacing the second column with 5 0 5. First column as this 1 4 minus 1 5 0 5 3 minus 1 1. 1 of 0 into 1 0. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 this side 5. So changing the sign, minus 5 of 4 into 1, 4, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, this side, minus 1, plus 3, 4 into 5, 20, minus 1 into 0, minus 0 or plus 0, 1 into 0 plus 5, 5, minus 5 into 4 minus 1, 3, plus 3 into 20, 5, minus 15, 3 into 20, 60, 60 plus 5, 65 minus 50, 50. Next, delta 3. Delta 3 equal to, replacing the third column. So, first column answer is 1, 4, minus 1. Second column answer is minus 1, 2, 3. Third column, 5, 0, 5. 1 of 2 into 5, 10, minus 0. Minus 1, minus 1, changing the sign, plus 1, 1. 4 into 5, 20, minus 0. Plus 5 of 4 into 3, 12. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, this side, plus 2. 1 into 10, plus 1 into 20, plus 5 into 12 plus 2, 14. 10 plus 20 plus 14, 5 into 14, 17. 17 plus 20, 90 plus 10, 100. Delta 3 equal to 100. So x equal to delta 1 by delta. So delta 1 by delta, delta 1 0 by delta equal to 50. 0 by 50 equal to 0. Y equal to delta 2 by delta. What is delta 2? 50. What is delta? This is also 50. 50 by 50, 50, 50 getting the answer 1. Z equal to delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 equal to 100. Delta equal to 50. 50 into 1, 50 into 2. So x equal to 0, y equal to 1, z equal to 2. So this is the solution. So next question number 2. So the second question is x plus y plus z equal to 1. 2x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 6. Next, x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 3. Okay, so this is the question. First, I want to write like this. So, a equal to x equal to b equal to a quotients. What is a? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9. X equal to x, y, z, b equal to 1, 6, 3. Next, first delta. Delta equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9 equal to 2 into 9. First 1 into 1 half, 2 into 9, 18, 4 into 3, 12, minus 12. Minus 1, changing the sign. Minus 1 half, 2 into 9, 18, 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 1 into 2 into 4, 8, 1 into 2, equal to 1 half, 18 minus 12, 6, minus 1 half, 18 minus 3, 15, plus 1 half, 8 minus 2, 6. So 6 minus 15 plus 6. So 6 plus 6, 12 minus 15 minus 3, not equal to 0. So minus 3 we got, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, Cramer's method is applicable. Cramer's method is applicable. Cramer's method is applicable. Now, delta 1. Delta 1 equal to, I want to change it. I want to replace first column with 1, 6, 3. 1, 6, 3. Second column 1, 2, 4. Third column 1, 3, 9. So that 1 of 2 into 9, 18. 4 into 3, 12 minus 12. Minus 1 of 6 into 5, 54. 3 into 3, 9. Plus 1 half. 6 into 4, 24. 3 into 2, 6. 1 half. 18 minus 12, 6. Minus 1 half. 45 minus 9. 54 minus 9, 45. Plus 1 half. 24 minus 6, 18. So 6 minus 45 plus 18. So 6 plus 18, 24 minus 45 minus 21. So delta 1 is equal to minus 21. Now delta 2. So delta 2, replacing the second column. First column 1 2 1. Second column 1 6 3. Third column 1 3 9. Equal to 1 half. 6 into 9, 54. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 1 half, changing the sign. Minus 1 half. 2 into 9, 18. 1 into 3, minus 3. Plus 1 half. 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 6, 6 minus 6. 1 half. 54 minus 9, 45. Minus 1 half. 18 minus 6, 15. Plus 1 half. 6 minus 6, 0. 45 minus 50 equal to 30. 45 minus 15 equal to 30. Next. Delta 3. So delta 3 equal to, replacing the third column. First column 1 to 1, second column 1 to 4. 1 to 1, 1 to 4. Third column, this column is replaced with 1 6 3. 1 6 3. 1 half. 2 into 3 6. 4 into 6 24, minus 24. Minus 1 half. 2 into 3 6. 1 into 6 6. Plus 1 half. 2 into 4 8. 1 into 2 2. 8 minus 2. So 1 half. 6 minus 24 minus 18 minus 1 half. 6 minus 6 0 plus 1 half. 8 minus 6, 8 minus 2 6 minus 18 plus 0 plus 6 equal to minus 12. So we got minus 12. So delta 1 equal to x equal to delta 1 by delta formula. What is delta 1? Delta 1 equal to minus 21 by minus 3, cancel 7. Y equal to delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 equal to how much? 30. 30 by minus 3. 3 cancel 10. Minus 10. Z equal to delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 equal to here minus 12 by minus 3. Minus cancel 12 by 3 equal to 4. X equal to 7. Y equal to minus 10. Z equal to 4. So this is the solution. Next we will discuss one more problem. 7th question I want to discuss. 7th. 2x minus y. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 8. 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 8. Minus x plus 2y plus z equal to 0. Equal to 4. 3x plus y minus 4z equal to 0. So this is the given system we need to solve. So first a equal to 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. Next x equal to x y z. Next b equal to 8 4 0. One more time we check. 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. Next, so delta equal to determinant 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. So 2 of 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 1 into 1 minus 1. Changing the sign. Plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. 3 into 1 3. Next plus 3. Plus 3 of minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 3 into 2 6. Next 2 of minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 1 into 4 minus 3 1 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. So minus 18 plus 1 minus 21. One more time. 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. Okay. So this is denominator here. 2 of 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 1 into 1 minus 1. Next minus of minus plus 1. 4 minus 1 into 4 4. 3 into 1 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 3 into 6 into 6 this side minus 6. Next 2 of minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 1 of 4 minus 3 1 plus 3 of minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. 2 into minus 9 minus 18 1 into 1 1 3 into minus 7 minus 21. Okay, next 1 minus 21 minus 20 minus 18 minus 38 which is not equal to 0. Therefore Cramer's method is applicable. Cramer's method is applicable. Next delta 1. Delta 1 equal to first we are replacing the first column with 840. 840 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. 8 of 2 into minus 4 minus 8 1 into 1 minus 1. Changing the sign. Plus 1 of 4 into minus 4 minus 16 0 into 1 0 plus 3 of 4 into 1 4 0 into 2 0. So 8 of minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 1 of minus 16 plus 3 of 4. So 8 into minus 9 minus 72 1 into minus 16 minus 16 3 into 4 12. So minus 16 plus 12 minus 4 minus 72 minus 76. So this is delta 1. Next delta 2 equal to, so in this matrix we are replacing second column. First column 2 minus 1 3. Second column 840. Third column 3 1 minus 4. So 2 of 4 into minus 4 minus 16 0 into 1 0 minus 8 changing the sign minus 8 of minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 3 into 1 3 minus 3 plus 3 of minus 1 into 0 0 3 into 4 12 minus 12. Next 2 of minus 16 minus 8 of 1 plus 3 of minus 12. So 2 into minus 16 minus 32 minus 8 into 1 minus 8 3 into 12 36 minus 36. Okay, minus 32 minus 8 minus 40 minus 40 minus 36 minus 76. Next third delta 3. Delta 3. So delta 3 equal to, replacing the third column, first and second columns are same. 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1. Third column change it to 840. So 2 of 2 into 0 0 1 into 4 4 minus 4. Changing the sign plus 1 minus 1 into 0 0 3 into 4 12 this side minus 12 plus 8 of minus 1 into 1 minus 1 3 into 2 6 this side minus 6. So next 2 of minus 4 plus 1 of minus 12 plus 8 of minus 12. So 2 into minus 4 minus 8 minus 12, 8 into 7 56, minus 8 minus 12 minus 20 minus 56 minus 76. So we got delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Now x equal to delta 1 by delta. What is delta 1? Minus 76 by minus 38. Minus cancel. 38 into 2 76, x equal to y equal to delta 2 by delta. What is delta 2? Minus 76 again by minus 38. Minus minus cancel. 38 into 2 76. Z equal to delta 3 by delta. What is delta 3? Again this is also minus 76 by minus 38. Minus minus cancel. 38 into 2 76. Therefore x equal to 2, y equal to 2, z equal to 2. So this is the required solution. So this is the method.